Want to learn how to build a complete automated trading strategy in Pinescript? Even if you are a beginner, you have come to the right place. In this video, I will guide you through step by step how you can create your first automated with entry signal or exit signal in Tradingview using Pinescript. Pinescript is a TradingView built-in programming languages that allow you to customize your own indicator, customize your own strategy, and even customize your own alert. It is very beginner friendly. Even if you don't have any coding experience, you will capture it, the patterns, and use to it when you get started. Before we go in more depth about how to construct a strategy in TradingView, let me just give you a short introduction. What is the components of a trading strategy? Generally, a trading strategy must consist of three components, which is modeling, or so-called the indicator. The second one must be the entry signal and exit signal. So we just use back the previous example or previous indicator that we have used about the short-term moving average and long-term moving average. So very simple, we just go back to the trading view and then we just use back the previous example about the two moving average that we have just created. So in this case, just now I say that we have three components of building an indicator. The first component is modeling. In this case, we are modeling using simple moving average, and then the entry signals actually we create is to create when the short-term moving average crosses the long-term moving average and go for long, and it crosses below. The long-term moving average is short-term moving average is crosses below the long-term moving average. I'm going for the short in this case. So for example, just a very general overview. Here I go for long, here I go for shorts, and then here I go for short again and go for long again. It seems like it's got a lot of consistent patterns here. As a quant trader, we are not just guessing whether it is like earning money or not, we are actually validating. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you should validate your trading strategies. Let's dive straight into validate this strategy whether it is earning or not. So you just open your Pinescript editor. So just go to this, manage script, create new, and strategy. This time is strategy, so you just clear all. So this strategy, you can name it as any strategy you want. For example, I want to name it winning strategy. Winning strategy. So yeah. So and then this one, you just delete it. True. Okay. Same but strategy, the difference is here you will become strategy instead of indicator. I define input length for my moving average. So actually you can just copy paste whatever you have already done in your moving average strategy. So for this example, I actually done a moving average in my last video. You can, if you don't know how to create an indicator, you can just look back at my previous video. So in this tutorial, I'll just copy paste what I have shown in my previous example, and yes, just paste it here. So yeah, then you just delete the indicator. So the most important part is you must have the moving average. You must define a short moving average, a long moving average, and then you must plot it. So after this, you must define your entry signals, because this is just plotting indicators in your chart without anything. If you just run the chart, it don't have anything. It's just like simple moving average that you can actually look at. So in order for us to actually implement our trading ideas, we must define a condition first. So in our example, we are actually going long when it crosses above and going short when it crosses down. So we must define our condition for entry first. So let me put entry condition. So it's very simple. You must use just if function, if tier.crossover, and then short MA, and long MA. Then I go for strategy dot entry. I go for a long positions. I put a buy signal here, and then go for strategy dot long. So after this, you got if. So let me just explain what this code does. Is actually if the crossover of short moving average with the long-term moving average. So what we're defining is actually, in this case for example, the short-term moving average crosses the long-term moving average. We are going for buy and we are actually placing a long positions. So same goes down. If it is not, we are placing a short position. Here you can just put strategy.short, sell, short, sell, so-called sell, and then cross the long moving average, cross the short moving average, we are go for short in this case. So short. Okay, yeah, should be fine. So we just update in our charts, yeah, you can see. So actually we got, after we have implement our entry logics, you can see that actually they got entry signals and exit signals already appears on the charts, which are pretty nice. And now this is your first trading strategy ever developed already. So we can look at your performance, how it actually performs in the past. So you just click the strategy tester. As you can see, it's earning, and then you just click the main icons of the settings, and then you just input the properties, and then you just input the order size to become 100, and then you change to equity, and then you must include your commission also in your trading view, because you have commissions when you pay, you open and close a position. In this case, we will just place a 0.06%. Yeah, so this is the result, guys. This is the result. So this is the result that we will get. For example, I just click, you'll get 1000% gain, guys. 1000% gains in, I mean, how many years? 2018 to 2024 periods. And then you can see is BTC is 1 day time frame candles, and then we're using short MA is 10, long MA is 40. So it's proof that is quite interesting amount of gain, I can say, because 1000% of net profit. We got total 54 trades total we have already opened, and then the win rate is around 44%, and then the max drawdown is 52%. 52% is not very impressive, I can say. It's still got room to improve. Yeah, and then we can look at the performance summary here. Just click the performance summary, you can see all the details we are coming, the net profit, how much we earn, how much we lost from the short trades. So this is it, guys. So how you can actually use TradingView to actually backtest your strategies. So one pro tips until you stay to the end is actually how you can implement your strategy and create alerts to automate your trades. So if you want to create your own alerts, so that whenever they got a signal of buy, you can straight away you can get alerts from your phone, emails or SMS. You can actually click that button called add alert, and then you can just click this condition like beginner strategy. Alert name, you can just name it as alert entry or whatever alert. So this is the things that you can just click notifications, send email, just click everything, notify in apps, tools, yeah, so play, then just create alerts. So actually you have just built your very first semi-auto trading strategy that is automate your entry signal, exit signal, and you also know what is the performance of your trading strategy based on past data. It's actually gained a lot from 2018 to 2024. Now we actually gain around 1000% gain with a 50% of max drawdown, which is very impressive. Just using two simple moving average. If you think that you have more strategy want me to backtest, you can actually just voice up in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video.